Okay, go.
Quad stretch for 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Next one is some lunges.
1, 2, 3.
What we're going to do is some slow high knees, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Last stretching before we start running is called the runner stretch, okay? Make sure you go deep into the stretch. And what you like it. Make it as running through mud. Trying to get my correct? Yeah, eh?
Low key and staying candid.
Excuse me, horse. Can you do a marathon in an hour? How's your day been, horse?
A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second.